Right, so here we are. This is the bike for today. We're getting ready to go for a cycle.
Gonna say that's my flavor. I'll put you away, save for later. You're my eyes on the prize like an animal. I want you to. A body like yours on a sugar rush, need no beauty call. I never thought that one can be something so good. A treat complete with a beautiful smile is all I need. But I'm not gonna say that's my flavor. I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had.